Now, example number 5, given that y is equals to log x to base 2, you'll be told to write down the following expression in terms of y, isn't it? So part A, you want to write log x squared to base 2 in terms of y, meaning what you need to do is to make log x to base 2 the subject of the formula, isn't it? So if you go here to part A, where you have log x squared to base 2, in logarithms the power must be the power of everything, isn't it? So power 2 becomes the coefficient, isn't it? Yes. So it is now 2 log x to base 2. So you've now made log x to base 2. You make log x to base 2, not the subject, but to stand on its own, isn't it? Yes. Because where it is, you put its value, which is y. So what do we end up with there? 2 times y, you get 2. Y. You are done with that, isn't it? Yes. Then you go to part B, you've been given log 8x squared to base 2. Now from here you can see the power 2 is only for x, but you can only remove it if it is above for everything. See there? So you have to separate the 2 using the laws of logarithm, isn't it? So this means 8 times x squared. Multiplication, when you are separating, multiplication changes back to addition, isn't it? Yes. So it means here we are going to have log 2, log 8 to base 2 plus log x squared to base. Because addition, if you factorize log to base 2 outside, this addition goes back to multiplication, isn't it? Yes. Good. So from here you can see 8 can be factorized in terms of 2 for you to get rid of that, isn't it? Yes. So the first part there you have 8 is 2 cubed to base 2, isn't it? Yes. Then plus log x squared to base 2. So the next thing you do is to get now rid of the power, because this 3 is now power of everything, isn't it? Yes. And this 2 is now power of everything, meaning you can now make them coefficient, isn't it? Yes. Are we together? Yes. So what do we have here? We now have 3 log 2 to base 2, isn't it? Yes. So 3 log 2 to base 2 is the same as what? Just 3, because log 2 to base 2, this power becomes the coefficient, this power becomes the coefficient, isn't it? Yes. So log of a number to the same base is 1, meaning here we remain with 3, isn't it? Yes. Then plus log x to base 2, you've been told is log x to base 2 is y. So it is 2 times y, isn't it? Yes. So it is 2y. So you've now expressed that given problem in terms of y to be 3 plus 2y. Are we together? Yes. Good. Example number 6.